First, iOS 18 beta is here and the features are so tempting to make us upgrade to iOS 18 beta now, but as it is a beta version, there are bound to be some issues. So if you are using iOS 18 beta and are facing issues like overheating, battery draining, can't uninstall apps due to iOS 18 beta issues, bugs and problems, then in this situation you should downgrade your iPhone to iOS 17 stable version. But then the question is how to downgrade from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17. Well folks, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Simply watch the video and follow the steps by downloading application from the links in description and pinned comment to know how to downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 to iOS 17 without losing data. Hey folks, Maswakil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 without data loss, and there is no need to jailbreak iPhone. First, after upgrading to iOS 18 beta, many users are facing issues like overheating, battery draining, can't uninstall apps, keyboard not working in many apps and many other iOS 18 beta issues. Well, if you are facing any of these issues and want to downgrade your iPhone from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 stable version, then you should try iCloud or iTunes. But if they are not working for you, well, in this situation we need a professional iOS system repair and recovery software, and here I recommend Tenorshare Reboot. Tenorshare Reboot is the best free iOS system repair and recovery software that can help us downgrade iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 without jailbreak, and can also help you upgrade iOS 17 to iOS 18 beta. It can also fix 150 plus iOS, iPadOS issues like stuck on Apple logo, screen won't turn on, recovery mode loop, software and update issues, network errors and much more. The best part, we can use it to put iPhone, iPad or Mac in recovery mode or exit for free. Wow, that seems really impressive. Let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in the description and pin comment to visit Tenorshare Reboot official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once Tenorshare Reboot free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Tenorshare Reboot with all its features and capabilities. First, we can do so much with Tenorshare Reboot, but today I wanna show you all how to downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 without data loss and jailbreak. But before we start, I will suggest you to do few things like turn off Find My and create backup of your current data on iPhone. Now to turn off Find My, simply open Settings, next tap Profile. Here we see Find My, tap to open it. Now tap Find My iPhone. Toggle this off, enter iCloud password and Find My iPhone will turn off. Next, let's create a backup, and for that simply follow these steps. Connect your iPhone to computer with iTunes, then click Backup Now button. After you are done with backup, simply go back to Tenorshare Reboot and now click on iOS Upgrade Downgrade option. Now as we are looking to downgrade iOS 18 beta without data loss, simply click Downgrade. Now here Tenorshare Reboot shows up iPhone firmware details. Click Download. It starts downloading iOS 17 firmware package. Once iOS 17 5.1 firmware download completes, here we are ready to downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 beta. Click Initiating Downgrade. Reboot starts downgrading process and may take some time. Once done, here we have confirmation. Downgrade completed. Now our iPhone restarts and we need to set up our iPhone again. Once done, here we have successfully downgraded iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 without data loss using Tenorshare Reboot. So easy and effortless. Now you may ask, is Tenorshare Reboot free to use? Well first, it's not free. We will require a plan to use it. So now let's talk about Tenorshare Reboot pricing plans, and for that here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans that we can choose as per our requirement. I will highly recommend you all to try out Tenos Share Reboot if you are looking to fix iOS system issues or want to downgrade iPhone from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 without data loss or jailbreak. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments, and if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the official way to transfer data from Android to iPhone for free. Looking to bypass FRP lock on Android phone? If yes, then this video is for you.